pros. Even if you lost, at least you exposed. Right? Yeah. I'm in chat in your life. Huh? Yeah, I've been seeing your comments here. WYY, hello. Because Boss M has a lot of supporters, like, for you. His last quota is 1 million last month. Like, really? For 1 month, 1 million? What crazy? Yeah. He mentioned that before. I mean, last month. I mean, last week of the month, when he is on live, he mentioned that his quota is 1 M. He has a lot. Yeah, he has. Hi, Kimchi. Followers and supporters. And bins. Because what I know is his bins right now is like 60 plus million. I don't know if 69 or 67 or what. I don't know. I'm not sure. I see those done. Oh, you have to see. Wow, crazy. Yeah, like I think every month, his quota is 1 million. Like every month, it's very consistent. I wanna. That's why you know that he is very malakas. That's insane, yeah. But you can blame him of having that kind of quota because his content is very nice. Ganon. He deserves it. ISOS, sana all na lang. Hoy, ISOS! Oh, good, that crazy bro. Who are you, LM? He's been around a long time and he's enjoyable. Yeah! He is always on top list. I mean, tip list. That's why. It's like I'm so happy when you said that you watch him. I mean, your best is in his live. I love your live. Hi, Dad. I'm talking. Hi, guys. Hi, Nicole. Nicole.